Sometimes I have to laugh when I have to bring across certain video to my viewers and subscribers them now. Yo, what go on when they and welcome forward to the channel still. Yo, me I say them two brother where they on this bash do it still now. Them brother are racist still now. Go that me can say about them still now. You see it. For none of them now nothing for gain out of it or get nothing out of it. You see me? Yeah man, them just want bring down a youth boss and thing and them just bad man youth. She want nobody in a fit them circle get it and thing, you see it. All of them youth, yeah. Where you say I talk about Dewey, them I'm gonna know Dewey through Queenie bring him out to the and bust him out and make people know about him, you see. But we in the street, we know Dewey long time and things where they must say about Dewey, you know say Dewey not stay a certain way. Now the fishy thing, you see me? Yeah man, them youth are just cloud chasing, you see, them just want to get famous half of people hype on them because something there, you see me? I mean just back on the hear what go on in the video where they could mix up where you go on over the man life and them. But that I can't say, you see it.
Alright, let me tell you, bossy, do it just...
No, Queenie, let me tell you something. It's not you just upset. I came on the show. I am watching you from... Oh, Dewey
upset because him said, me are open up back all home by adding Notnice to the live and him said it's serious and everything. So me now I say, you know what? Me I go dead this because do it upon the next and I say, I don't entertainment anymore.
I understand that, but when the man tell Catherine go suck the woman and threaten him, say I'm going to slap shot and all of them blood clotted, he never know that 2 weeks ago say it's serious. So you know for talk. He never know that 2 weeks ago before you come out today, so you wouldn't there so today.
So Queenie left on the live, yeah? I made a mix up. When me and Dewey are linked, Queenie left on the live, yeah? No matter how she call my phone and me answer a call, I never call her time about Dewey. I think what the fuckery is it make an idea? It's that woman, yeah? She never dissed me yet. Is it me? I want me to see my wife and she my call, like I'm call you, Miss Lingan. You get what I say? So when she doing the fuckery, I said, dog, I bet you're ready, man, not nice. I'm going through this, I'm going through that. In the reason, hello. I'm a thing say.
Let me hear what Queenie say.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You ever hear when the pastor married, the pastor say anybody have anything to say them peace? When they say anything, whether who want to be friend yes or no, it doesn't matter. It's when me go through with in a life in a hospital. Nothing can worse than that when I go through. Say who have things in them crowd want let it out.
Right.
Let out one want let out. It doesn't matter the back and front and what about it and what it have to let out. So if you have something to say, if do it tell us them take dead man out, I mean not nice. You say it. It doesn't fucking matter whether they own heal up your time. I'm tired of this.
No,
and as I said, it's not gonna end until everybody's satisfied. And who for dead, well me go to dead road and come back. It doesn't matter whether me or your friend is or not. It's no who want vent. You understand me? Not nice if you want to vent, you vent. Because if you not vent for Miss Blink sure, you're gonna go somewhere else go back vent. And I listen that listen.
Yeah.
I am sick and tired of you constantly. So what you do is sit down and lock phone with. And how much secret we do it have for your talk. So stop going kind of not nice. Say what you want to say. Stop going secret for do it. Yeah. You not nice a long time. You're talking about that.
All right, go and talk. No, what you want to
say? Listen to me, madam. Listen to me.
Yeah.
If me have something for vent, but me I have something for vent, but me hear RT come on strong and say, the only reason why we be friends is because Dewey wasn't around. It doesn't matter what make who was friend, who was friend. When do we come back? Instead of you all your composure, you feel like that you can't come and text against my husband. It doesn't matter if him take 10 kangaroo out of my pussy. I'm my husband and me and him recording here. So if someone has something to say, don't let no one hold in a beat because everything that's out for internet. Say a piece and anyway for Margaret cuss. Set yourself free of what you want to say, not nice.
The thing is, what me have said, people have said me because the car glass I said my colleague Queenie, you know that is lie. And that more I get out them.
Nice. I don't care who lick out the car glass and I don't know who lick out the car glass. I don't give a fuck. I go to hospital on dead road. Me not care about no fucking. Me tired of the aunting. Who have secret, who have vice note, who said this and who said that. Speak on the mind because it's after done more than every minute when I have things in a treasure bag. Open the treasure box and let out one let out. Not all a blood clot secret, because of the same thing that me and Miss Bing come friend in it. Because a girl up on the live I discriminate, I said this and I said that. And I come forward, straight forward and say, little girl, talk your mind. Me not like people aren't me. And that's why I'm so terrible. I don't like people aren't me. So I am saying to you, whether the own one blood clot over my back 2 weeks ago gone. And because you know the only reason why this is going now, satisfy yourself, not lie. Stop, hold back.
So what I
Satisfy yourself and let your speech out.
Queenie, listen now. Is that nothing about satisfy yourself? Remember now, woman, your nigga is talking shit. You see me? And what I'm fear for understand, say, him say something to me, say not nice, no matter what we have, we don't forget internet. Him call me about something. I'm going to get upstairs, I'm going to suck him, and we should have keep it in the DM. No, when you go live, remember, you know, from this one, I go live, you know, mama, and do my all I stuff them and pay all I advice, you know, here, one advice, I'm going to pay for me, brother.
So why you always sleeping and I still like peace again? Peace. Here where you just find the live and say not nice. The amount of things they do with call and say to you, you think that sound good, not nice? If you just talk with do it, say, or all the piece of, you know better than doing that nice. You better you didn't play the voice note from a couple weeks ago, but every time you have to do it, you have this today, you say what you have to say.
No, what I'm saying is that people have said, me, vice versa, me, I said this, right? So, what I explain them said it's two things. So me have never said so but because me not play the vice, so me I put that me I said, is it me? I mean not make because you say that because no but people come and say you play this.
You're not playing a voice note, you're not playing a voice note. So why do you use the voice note on an aunt? Aunt me then.
Queen, oh me aunt you mama, I never disrespect you.
Because you constantly use the voice note as the reference and said you do a lock phone. And the amount of things you do
Queenie, but the voice note not going to do with you. The voice note have to do with Momo and Cashier.
Hello? The two of us cannot speak same time.
Right, that's what I said to the voice note have something to do with Momo and Cashier, not you.
But you just said you're afraid of mankind and you want God to save it because the amount of things you do is about me when you're on him like phone and I so you still just giving intro, but you're not going in the belly of what happened. So that is haunting and provoking that nice. Say your peace, darling. Everybody have them own individual person carry them own burden. So if you have something to say instead of every week it go and everybody have
every week I'm going to hear me on the live and do no in the ear make it be, you see me? If me have peace to say but I call you and tell you a bag of things that you said, do it not nice, I said it not nice, you see me? So, do it no.
Not nice, you're straying from the point.
The point
I'm saying to you.
I'm not like your man is a pussy. I'm not like
him. Alright, so every time you get a program for go up and you're going to say you have voice note, and you could have played them, and the amount of things when about me, Queenie, why you not tell the world? Why you keep secret for the wave, not nice? And what kind of secret do we have for you?
You know, keep a secret for Dewey.
Yeah, keep secrets. Yeah, keep secret, not nice. Because from Dewey, come back till now, you've been saying that Dewey setting down now, you can't talk. So, why you play then? Why you play? Stick the beer then. Why you stick the fucking beer if you're not talk? Why?
Because we can do anything more for you. You have a point where you can do anything more for you.